Tired of hunting for misplaced clothes or other travel essentials? Want to transform yourself from a disorganized mess into a tidy wonder who arrives at any destination, whatever the climate, relaxed and fully organized? Or how about opening your suitcase and finding your clothes haven't budged an inch during the flight, meaning you arrive with less wrinkled clothing and have more time to relax from the moment you arrive at your destination? The answer, my friends, is packing cubes. Yes, you heard me, packing cubes. There's no faster way to improve your travel packing experience, whether you are an overpacker or just someone who needs help organizing themselves while on a business trip or vacation. There are tons of packing cubes available on the market, suitable for all budgets. We chose to put the Travelwise Packing Cube system through its organizational paces, and here's what we thought. Our 5-piece set, comprising 1 small, 2 medium and 2 large packing cubes, were made of lightweight but durable nylon and breathable mesh. The packing cubes helped us to streamline our packing section and compress our clothes, ultimately maximizing our internal luggage space. The easily accessible cubes had easy pull zippers for smooth opening and closing, meaning faster packing and unpacking by us. Comparing packing with to without packing cubes was like tossing up between night and day. We were amazed by how convenient using packing cubes was during our trips and how much clothing we could fit into them. Overall, we feel they are the one travel essential no traveler should be without.